what's in the box. Welcome back, everybody, to Flatters Tuning. We are here today because Cobb has finally done it. They've come out with their NexGen Flex Fuel kit, post the Cobb green speed updates and all of that sort of stuff. So we've got it in front of us here, and the first thing we want to do is just kind of look at what is in the box. And so if you order the complete kit, what you're going to get is these two boxes. One box here has the Flex Fuel sensor itself, and the other box has all of the wiring. Oh, here's the sensor. So we've got the plumbing, the sensor, and actually some really nice lines with AN fittings, and then this wild set of wiring. So that's what's in the box. Now let's talk about whether you need this kit and how it works and what it does. Okay, so now they've got all this laid out here. If you already have Cobb's Flex Fuel setup or Flex Fuel components, this part probably looks pretty familiar. And this really has not changed. The sensor that they're using and the plumbing to install it, that is unchanged. That is still the same. And in fact, if you have the first generation Flex Fuel kit already and you want to upgrade to the NexGen Flex Fuel kit, you do not need to buy the sensor. There's actually an upgrade kit, just to upgrade the wiring. The wiring is the majority of the change here from the first gen system to the second gen system, and you can purchase that kit so that then you can basically use the NexGen wiring system to tune your car that already has the Flex Fuel installed. The biggest significance of what the difference is between the Gen 1 and the Gen 2 is that the Gen 2 system works in conjunction with the TGVs, so nothing has to be changed or removed for the system to get power and for the Flex Fuel sensor to send the signal to the ECU. And that's the big difference. That is what now makes this system workable once again. So if you want to be able to tune your car with Flex Fuel again, this is what now makes it a possibility. If you don't have anything, you would need just the access port and the complete Flex Fuel kit like this, like you see here. WRX is going to be coming soon, and I have been assured by Cobb that FA20, FA24 kits are in the works. It's probably just going to take a little bit more time, but they are on the way at some point in the future. The biggest thing that Cobb was able to figure out to make this work is how to get the signals from the Flex Fuel system on the same circuit as the TGVs and have them both work. So that's really where the magic happens to make this kit a possibility. The reason why this is not available in California currently is there's no EO for this yet. They are working with Cobb to try and get some kind of a certification for this, but unfortunately if you're in California, this is not something that is available to you currently, though Cobb is working on it. The other part of that, because they don't have an exemption or an executive order exempting this for emissions, if you live in a state where you have to have basically an EO or an executive order tune or certification for the tune, that also does not exist yet. And so then this would, you might want to think about twice about putting this on, because talking to Cobb, I've confirmed that you cannot run this system, or with this system installed, you cannot run on a stock flash. So basically once this is installed, then you do have to have a tuner go in and tune the car for this NexGen fuel system, and you could not revert to a stock ROM with all this stuff in place. So that just might be one other thing to consider if you're wondering, if you're on the fence about moving up to this Flex Fuel system or not. But that's pretty much it. Again, the cool thing is that this now makes Flex Fuel possible again, post the green speed update with Cobb, and applications for more models are coming in the works. It's just because of now the extra steps that Cobb has to go through to get the certifications and the testing done. It's just taking a little bit of time, but this is definitely the thing that we've gotten the most calls about and people have been the most interested in, whether or not it was going to be available again. So we're excited to see it. Hopefully that helps answer some of the questions that you have. And all these parts are available on our website, flattenerstudio.com. And if you got any more questions, or if you want any more details about what you see here, feel free to reach out to us through a live chat. We'll do our best to answer those questions for you. So thanks very much for watching. Thanks for your support as always, and stay tuned with Flatters Tuning.